What I've got in front of me is a place value chart. Now, if you look closely to these words, if you ignore this word here, you've got tens and hundreds. If you ignore this one for now, you've got tens and hundreds. If you ignore this one, you've got tens and hundreds again, and so on. That pattern repeats over and over again. But each section, if you look at each section there, you've got the tens and hundreds, tens and hundreds, tens and hundreds. But in each section it begins with ones here, and in this one it begins with thousands, and in this one it begins with millions, and the next one begins with billions. Right, so if you look at that pattern the way I've showed you, it will be easier to memorize it. So if I just put a number here, for example, 3 ones, well, that's just a 3. If I put a number here, these are tens, so that's 43. 4 tens and a 3 make 43. If I put a number here, that's 7 hundreds, 4 tens and 3 ones, that's 743. Now we're on thousands. We've got 8 thousands, 8 lots of thousands, so that reads as 8,743. 8,743. We've got 10,000s column now, so you've got 6 lots of 10,000s, so that's 68,743. That'll be 468,743. Now we're in the millions column. We've got 2 lots of millions, so we've got 2,468,743. 82,468,743. 582,468,743. Now we've reached the billions now, so we've got 4 lots of billions there, so that's 4,582,468,743. And obviously you can extend that this way, it'll carry on forever. I'm going to just write a bigger number here, another number, just making these numbers up. So how does that read? Well, you've got billions there, so that's 9,321,782,056. Right, another one. 2,035,023,307. So I'll repeat that again. 2,035,023,307. It might be easy to look at it like this. So this one again, 2 billion. That reads 35,023,307. Right, I'm going to look at these columns now. So I'm just going to put a number here. So that's 47, obviously. And go past the decimal point, put a number here. That's 47.2, or you could say 2 tenths. 47 and 2 tenths, you could say 47.2. So you get here, you've got 2 tenths, 4 hundredths. So that's 47.24. 47.246. So we've got 2 tenths, 4 hundredths, 6 thousandths. Right, what if I've got a huge number like this and I want to read it out? Now, it's not always convenient to have a place value chart like that. So what I tend to do, if you look at this place value chart one more time, on the left hand side of the decimal point, you can see there's 3 digits. Each section has got 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, and so on and so. Obviously here, that section here is the thousands, then you've got the millions, then you've got the billions, the trillions, and so on. So with a large number like this, what I'll do is, well, it's a whole number, so I'm going to split this up with commas. It's got 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, split up with a comma, 1, 2, 3 digits, comma, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So how does that read? Well, I know all of that. These are the thousands. Over here, these ones represent the millions. These 3 here, billions. And over here, trillions. Okay. Thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So that's 18 trillion, 428 billion, 363 million, 107,239. Let me just change this, put that 0 there. How will that read now? 18 trillion, 28 billion, 363 million, 107,239. Well, in case you're wondering what comes after billion, we've got million here, billion, trillion, quadrillion, and so on and so. Right, if anyone should ask you, for example, what does that 4 represent in this number? Well, that 4, that's 4 tens, that's 40. What does that 7 represent? 7 hundreds, 700, that's 7, represents 700. That 8, 8 thousands, that represents 8,000. That 6 there, 6 lots of tens, 6 lots of tens is 60. It represents 60,000. What does that 4 represent? Well, that's 4 lots of hundreds, that's 400,000. So that 4 represents 400,000. That 2 represents 2 millions. That 8, that's 8 lots of tens, 80 million. So that 8 represents 80 million. That 5, that's 5 lots of hundreds, make 500. So that 5 represents 500 million, and so on.